How to connect Instagram with a Facebook page. Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you step by step at how you can connect your Instagram with a Facebook page, so let's dive in. First, open your Instagram app and then you have to just click your profile icon on the bottom right corner and it's going to bring you to this page. And now make sure you have a professional account and then click edit profile. And now you simply have this page over here, and now you can see in this menu I have this page option, and here right next to it you can see connect and create. You have to click connect or create and then click continue. And now you're just going to click login to Facebook, and then you have to just click create a new Facebook page, or you can connect to an already existing one. For that you have to click connect. And that's how you connect your Instagram to your Facebook page. I hope you found the process easy and liked my video. And if you did, please don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you again.